Hey guys, so our truck actually broke down, and it was being fixed in this lot over here. Are those for sale, Nick? The red ones?
I think some company around.
They're for sale, right? Okay, so yeah, those are for sale.
Why not?
Oh my God.
That's it belongs to a company.
Yeah.
So their signature. That's why you find these ones here. They are green.
They're all red. Would you recommend black, blue, maroon, red truck like that, or white? Me ukinuli white truck or a gold one like that color. But anyway, it's whatever they choose. Mi napenda white, ama gold, ama tan. Ina wenyewe. It's a funny truck. Sijui ilichomeka ama nini ilifanyikia hiyo. That one over there looks like it had burnt up. So in a truck, we actually put a lot of money here just to get this truck working, you know. I don't want to even imagine the amount of money that we had to put in there. More than 16,000 USD just to get that thing working. And yeah, it is what it is. So wacha tutaona vile itakuwa. That's a new part they had to fix. Right here. What's wrong with people? So tuambie enda ufunge.
Yeah.
Afi na unashika hiyo vumbi yote.
You need to clean it. It needs to be cleaned before even you put it back.
Unafikiri wata clean?
Not aliona kwa sababu ya kitu clean.
Si uchukue hiyo wipes wipe.
Yeah.
Wipe kwanza. No one will clean it for you. So mashine imechuna. Iko na miles ngapi? 1.198 millions.